Welcome to the Box Institute's tutorial on how to add numbers in a cell for Excel. So here we have three numbers, 5, 10, and 15, and if we want to add those numbers up in a cell, we can do it this way. We can type in equal sign, which tells Excel that this is going to be a formula, and then we say 5 plus 10 plus 15, and then we hit enter, and there we have the sum total of these three numbers, 5, 10, and 15. There's also another way we can do that as well. We can type in equals sum, open parentheses, and then we can type in the cells that we want to add together. So if we highlight these three cells, B2 to B4, and put in a closed parentheses and hit enter, we get the same sum of 30. We can also do a quick addition on numbers by highlighting these three numbers, and then by looking down here in the bottom right corner, it says sum 30. So that's three different ways that you can add up different cells so you can add numbers in a cell in Excel. I hope this was helpful. If you liked this, please follow for the next video.